Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
I
Asif Zardari,
do solemnly swear that I am a Muslim
swear that I am a Muslim
and believe in the unity
and believe in the unity
and oneness of Almighty Allah,
and oneness of Almighty Allah,
the books of Allah,
the books of Allah,
the Holy Quran,
the Holy Quran
being the last of them,
being the last of them,
the prophethood of Muhammad, peace be upon him,
the prophethood of Muhammad, peace be upon him,
as the last of the prophets,
as last of the prophets,
and that there can be no prophet after him,
and that there can be no prophet after him,
the day of judgment,
the day of judgment,
and all the requirements and teachings of the Holy Quran and Sunnah,
and all the requirements and teachings of the Holy Quran and Sunnah,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that as President of Pakistan,
that as President of Pakistan,
I will discharge my duties
I will discharge my duties
and perform my functions
and perform my function
honestly to the best of my ability,
honestly to the best of my ability,
faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan
and the law,
and
always in the interest of the sovereignty,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of Pakistan, that I will strive to preserve the Islamic ideology, which is the basis for the creation of Pakistan, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people,
that I will do to law
without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as President of Pakistan, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as President. May Allah Almighty help and guide me.
May Allah Almighty help and guide me.
Ameen.